Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we are looking at Disney Villains Sinister Spoons game. This is from Funko, ages 7 and up, 4 to 8 players. Pretty straightforward looking, takes about 20 minutes. Inside we are going to find 4 spoons, 32 villain tiles, 96 cards plus instructions. So let's take a look at what is inside this game. Kind of see the back of the box a little better there. And there's the front. Now weirdly this opens kind of upside down from the look of it. Wow, it's going to be real easy to break this thing. Oh, what kind of Rube Goldberg device is this? Alright, so it's kind of hard to get this plastic lid off without damaging anything. So here's our spoons, here's our cards and our tiles. And our instruction book. Not much to it really. There's a QR code for watching the video. So it's pretty simplistic. Nice color paper, but you know, nothing too special. So we'll look at the cards and the tiles and the spoons a little bit more closely. Okay, so our spoons are Ursula, Jafar, Maleficent, and Captain Hook. Let's take a closer look at these. We'll start with Jafar, because he's the easiest one to pop out. And it looks like Jafar. There's this like swirly pattern at the bottom. I doubt these are dishwasher safe, by the way. I don't think they're being intended to be used as food. There's Ursula. Neat seashell theme. There's Maleficent. Each one does have their own space crafted for them, but I don't know how well this plastic thing's going to hold up. If you have to take the lid off every time, it's going to vacuum suck this part out. It's probably going to break fairly quickly if kids are playing with it. There is Captain Hook. Sorry about the bit of a reddish tinge look, at least on the viewfinder. Pretty nicely designed, actually. They're okay plastic. I won't really complain about that at all. This thing does hold them fairly snugly. So let's take a look at our tokens next. The back design is incredibly lazy. But you've got Captain Hook. And there are 7 of those. Or 8? Is it 7 or 8? I can't count. 8. There's 8 of each. Then there's Maleficent. Ursula. And Jafar. So you got 8 of each of these. And they're all identical. With the same very boring background. Alright, so let's take a look at the cards then. These are really nice quality, by the way. See, the thickness is great on these pieces. So far, I'm actually pretty impressed with this as far as the quality goes. I expected the spoons to be a lot cheaper and these to be really, really thin cardstock. Instead, they're actually cardboard and they're pretty nice quality. So let's see how the actual cards hold up. Hey, this thing actually worked for once for me. All right. We got a lot of 8s. $12 8s. So there's what the back looks like. And they're all going to be different. Of course. $12 7s. Alright, so it looks like there's 12 of each card. So let's start with the 8s and work our way down. We have body language. Stand back, you fools. Good form. Diamond in the rough. Stand back, you fools. Body language. Diamond in the rough. Good form. Body language. Good form. Stand back, you fools, and diamond in the rough. So there's 3 of each. Let's look at the 7s. Good form. Diamond in the rough. Good form. Stand back, you fools. Diamond in the rough. Stand back, you fools. Body language. Diamond in the rough. Good form. Body language. Stand back, you fools. And body language. So interesting, but it appears there's only 3 of the body language. Let's check this a little closer. Yeah, there's 3 body language, 3 stand back, 3 diamond in the rough, and 3 good forms. So, yep, 3 of each. Alright, let's check the 6s, see if there's 3 of each there. There's diamond in the rough, body language, good form, diamond in the rough, stand back, you fools, body language, good form, body language, diamond in the rough, stand back, you fools, good form, stand back. Alright, so looks like there's 3 of each for all of these. So here's the backs of 5. And here's 4. Then 3. 2, and 1. 3 of each kind of the 4 cards that we already went over. So it's pretty straightforward. As long as you have 3 of each card, you're good to go. If not, it should be pretty easy to replicate. The card quality is really nice. They're matte back finish, really nice feel to them. So they don't feel glossy and cheap, which I was a little worried about that too. But they seem to be really nice quality cards. So I'm actually really impressed with this set. It could have been really lazy cash grab trash, but Funko actually did a very good job. A lot of their games do seem to be pretty high end, and this doesn't seem to be much of an exception. So that is what is inside the 2023 Disney Villains Sinister Spoons game from Funko. Ages 7 and up, 4 to 8 players. I don't really think it'd work real well with 8 players, but looks like a pretty straightforward, simple game. Not particularly complicated. Pretty nice quality, actually. And that surprises me, because I hate the box design. And I figured anything that's designed this poorly for a box is probably going to be really cheap inside. I would be worried this plastic piece is going to get cracked over time because it is not going to survive being stored in a closet for 20 years. Unless you have like an amazing temperature gauge in there, or really good insulation, I guess. And the black plastic piece that holds the actual spoons in place, I have a feeling both that and this top piece are going to get broken over time. So that's something to be aware of. Otherwise, the cards are really nice quality. The token pieces are really nice. The spoons are good quality. I'm actually pretty impressed with this one. So if you're a big Disney person, you'll probably want to add this to your collection. You might want to get two, so I don't know, maybe you'll want to try and eat breakfast with these things, but I won't. I don't think they're really designed for using as actual spoons. So there you go. You've heard my take on it, and you've seen what's in the box. That's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews and unboxings. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links are in the description to various support methods. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.